This is a Lexus RX330. The owner reported that he was having a problem with the car. Sometimes it would not start. Sometimes it would roll when it was in park. Sometimes he would put it into drive and it would not move. So we knew immediately what the problem was. It's a problem with the shifter bushing. We're looking inside the car. You can see we had to tear apart the entire interior in order to get to the root of the problem, which is at the very end of the shift lever, at the very end of the shift cable. You can see that the bushing has completely rotted away. And what this means is that when you move the shifter does not move the cable end. And that's why the car does not seem to go into gear or into park or will not start, because it thinks that it's in reverse and the starter is disabled. So in order to get to this point and perform the repair, we had to remove the glove box, we had to remove the kick panel on the driver's side, and then with those two removed, we're able to remove the shifter surround and get to the shifter.
To perform the repair, purchase a shift linkage repair kit from eBay. The kit comes with easy-to-follow instructions. Sorry, but our video of the actual repair was lost. Thanks for watching.